How's it going, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Chris and I'm a portrait photographer based in South Florida. And today we're going to edit this photo and turn it into this photo. Now, it's not a hard edit, it's a simple edit, but I just wanted to show you what you could do with just a few simple edits, and of course getting it right as best you can in camera. In this case I kind of did, but I kind of didn't, depending on how you want to crop it or edit it. But let's start here. First things first, go into Lightroom. Once you've imported your photo into Lightroom, you want to export it and edit it in Photoshop. So once Photoshop opens, now here's the thing with this. I got a 2015 MacBook, and yeah, this thing is dragging, but it still does the job. So hopefully we'll get it done soon. All right, so once it opens in the Photoshop, we're going to duplicate this layer. And then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the lasso tool, and I'm just going to go around the bottle. We'll get the reflection as well, and get as much of the background as you can. You want to use as much information. All right, so there we go. Now, once you do that, we're going to go down here at the bottom and we're going to invert it. So now the whole back is selected. The next step, I'm going to hit Edit, Fill, and we're going to hit Content Aware. Now, if it doesn't show that, you do have a drop down. Just click on Content Aware, and hit OK. And we're going to let it do its job. Come on, come on. It's a coming. I might just fast forward here. Now we're going to hit Command D to deselect it. And I'm going to be honest with you, this is actually pretty good. I don't really see much of anything that I need to edit. Maybe this section right here, I could just take that out. But what we're going to do now is we're going to get either the patch tool or one of the other healing brush. Let's see if this will work here. That's this one right here. Let's select a little bit in this area right here, and then let's see what we can do with just taking out this little dark area here. Let's see. All right, let's take that out. It's actually looking pretty good. I'm actually really surprised at what it did. So now the next step we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to clean out some of the dust spots. And for that one, I'm going to use this one here. Let's see here. This one's the spot healing. All right, zoom in. And I'm just looking for little dust specks to just take out. I want to take out this reflection here. Let's see if it comes out. Oh, there we go. Perfect. All right. I might just fast forward this just so you can see how it looks afterwards. All right, I think that's it. I think I pretty much got most of the dust particles on there. All right, so now next step I'm going to do, Photoshop did pretty much everything else as far as the background. I really don't want to touch the background. So now what I want to do is I just want to get the curves, put the curves there. And I want to add a little contrast to it. So I'm going to brighten up just a hair. See how much that looks. Okay, just a little bit. And I'm going to add a little bit of blacks to make it pop just a little bit. Now it's hard to, it might be hard to tell on the screen, but on my end, when I see that, it does look really good. look. Yep, and then let's bring up the highlights a bit more. Nice. See one more take a look, see if there's anything else I'm missing. Nope. And that's it, guys. We're done. Simple edit, nothing too crazy. Photoshop did most of the work. All I did was just add some contrast, take out the dust. But that's it. If you have any questions on how I did this, how I lit it, I know it wasn't perfect lighting because this is the first time I've done product photography. But if you have any questions, just feel free to ask on even on the equipment that I have, the camera that I used. Just let me know, and I'll be glad to share it with you. Please subscribe, and if you want, you can go to my Instagram at poblano.photography and hit a follow. And that's it, guys. Thanks for coming.